Hi everyone, welcome to Nan Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a long stick donut, which is very famous for breakfast in Myanmar. So let's get started. Now I'm going to use the ratio is to get the 4 donuts. So we need all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. So we have to mix all together, and you will mix with water. Now we need water and oil. Oil can be any type of oil. You can use whatever available at home. Now I will mix with water and oil together, and I will add it in the all-purpose flour. You can mix the water into the flour little by little or at once, is up to you, but you have to follow the instruction very strictly, otherwise the dough can be stiff or very soft. Then go in with your hand and fold it 3 to 5 times until you don't see any dry flour bites. That's it, don't knead it too much, otherwise the dough stick will come out tough. Cover it and plastic wrap, leave it to rest. After 20 minutes later, we will spread the oil over the work surface to prevent the stickiness. Now take out the dough from the bowl and shape it into the almost rectangle. Fold the left side to about the third, flip the right side over, just like how you fold a blanket. If the board is getting sticky, feel free to apply a little more oil. And repeat the folding process again. The reason why we are doing this is that we want to make the dough smooth without over kneading it. Okay, this is the third time folding it, and as you can see, the dough become much smoother. Now it's ready, that's it. If you're planning to fry at the same day, you can keep it at least 2 hours in the room temperature. After that, you can fry it immediately. Or else, for like me, I will use it in the next day morning. So I will store it in the fridge, and the next day morning, I will take it out. Now, I will keep it at least 20 minutes in the room temperature to come back to the normal temperature. Now, I will use it. Now I will make the dough become flat and long. So I will transfer the dough onto the working surface. In case, if you feel a lot of resistance and the dough is hard to elongate, you can let it rest for another 10 minutes. While slowly pull the dough to become long enough. The size should be about 15 to 20 inches. Now cover it and let it rest on the cutting board. For now, we will start heating the oil. I know that looks like a lot of oil, but we really need to deep fry it. The oil temperature need to reach to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, so I'm going to keep working on the dough in the meantime. The measurement I give is enough to make 4 pieces of donut. So I want to divide it into 8 slabs. Dust more flour on the cutting board. Leave each piece and flour the cut surface to prevent the stickiness. Wet the chopstick to make a water line right through the center of every other piece. Then we will stack 2 pieces together. Try to match the one that are almost equal in size. Use your chopstick to press in the middle. Let's take a look. We want the center to stick together tightly so they don't separate during deep frying. Take one piece of donut and gently stretch the length so it will become 2 to 2.5 times longer. Don't rush to throw the donut into the frying pan. You have to drop it very slowly from the middle and just drop it. Once the donut is going inside the fry pan, you have to rotate with the chopstick continuously. And once the donut color is turning to the light brown, and you have to keep it each side at least half minutes and turn to other side by rotate and until you get the golden brown crunchy color. Now you can stop rotating it and just let it sit in the oil until golden brown. In this case, if the first one is ready, you can drop it for the next one. Now all my donuts are ready to eat, or if you want to keep it for longer time to eat, whenever you want to eat them again, just reheat them in the toaster, oven or regular oven until the heat is enough. The outside is crunchy, inside is a little bit chewy, so I hope you like my recipe. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.